Hello everybody! How to have drop-down cells like this when you're going to fill out a spreadsheet. Very easy. Select the cells, go to Data, Data Validation, Add Rule. Here you introduce what you want. Delivered, pending, you can choose the colors you want, customize this, you can add another items or not. And in advanced options, you can choose if you want to reject alternative inputs or just show a warning. Done. And here you have it. Delivered, pending. There are other possibilities, like here, you could add another rule, but a different one. And in this case, you could say it can be A, B, or C, but instead of these tips, you can choose another style, like arrows or plain text. Done. So if you introduce a different value, it shows a message.